Hi, my name is Gehring. I live in American Fork, Utah, and I am paddling a 15-foot Ranger. I first became interested in building a cedar strip canoe a few years ago. I was in Texas with my family. We were camping near a lake, and a gentleman came by with a beautiful cedar strip canoe, and it was then that I decided that someday I would like to have one of those for myself. I first purchased the Canoecraft book and read through it a few times and decided on the Ranger as the boat that I would like to build. And after getting the materials, I set off on the project. I've been a woodworker all my life, and the project seemed very appealing to me, but there were still, as I started building the canoe, a few challenges and hurdles that I had never experienced before as a woodworker. But in the end, I ended up with what I feel is a beautiful boat. The Ranger handles very nicely on the water, and I get a lot of compliments on it, so I'm very pleased with my choice. I've been a backpacker and camper all my life. I love being outdoors. I love seeing nature. I love being in nature and experiencing the beauty of the earth. So having a canoe that I built and the satisfaction of having something crafted of my own hands and being able to take that into an environment that I love is a real joy to me and a real pleasure, and I'm very happy with the way it turned out and hope that I can have enjoyment with this canoe for years to come and maybe even pass it on to my kids.